Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. And, you know, we're getting ready to go get our nails done and tan and all of that stuff. So I was just going to put a little bit of makeup on. Just a teeny bit. So, yeah, I was so broken out. It's like moving. It's like I have little things under my skin that are moving, little bugs. Ugh. Go ahead, Susan, tear yourself up. You'll be all right. All right, so I'm going to moisturize my face, or actually, no, I'm not. I mean, I am, but I'm going to put some stuff on first. This is this 111 Skin. It's the Pollution Defense Booster. Booster Defense. It came in one of my things. You know how it goes. Oh, gosh. My goodness. Totally don't want to go anywhere. But my nails look like shit. And I've cut them off. Just putting one of these little sugar things on my lips because my lips chipped. All right. So we are going to dive in to one of my foundations to see if I like it or I hate it. You know, I've thrown 2 away so far today. My hair. I sprayed the stuff on my hair. I have no idea what it is, but whatever. Whatever. I'm going to put some of this Becca under eye brightening stuff. Oh. Yeah. Oh. I ain't gotta tell you guys, freaking toast. Toast. I don't know why, but I am. All right. What do we got here? Foundations. Foundation. Well, we're going to put some of this Airbrush Flawless Foundation on from Charlotte Tilbury and watch me go crazy. Because I don't know that I like this foundation. I'm not going to get rid of it because I don't know. But this is ridiculous. Oh, Susan, what have you done? Just do it. Just do it. Oh, yeah, just do it. No idea what I'm talking about. This brush is not working for me. So we're going to use a different one. Foundation is surely not my thing past couple days. It's like, it's not for you. It's not meant for you. It's not, your skin doesn't need it. Whatever the problem is. Better? 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 It doesn't look great. I'm just gonna spray this on my beauty blender and I'm gonna pounce some of that out. You know, because so let's just put another little squirt of that foundation on my face. Actually, I'm gonna put a little dot on this beauty blender. And then we're gonna work it out. Work it out. Work it out. Yeah. It doesn't look any better, but why does it look so blotchy on my skin? Like, I can't figure this out. Is it my skin? Whoops. I have a little lighted mirror here right beside me. I just don't know. It's just not. Stop pushing it, Susan. All right, let's see. It's just as ugly as it can be. What is wrong with this stuff? What is wrong with you? Powder, hair, powder. All right, so I'm gonna put some of this Too Faced Banana Pudding Under Eye Brightener on. And then we don't know what we're gonna do next. I really do know what I'm doing next, but well, that looks better already. And then we're gonna put some powder on the rest of our face. Powder. Yeah. I'm gonna go into my Pretty Vulgar. I'm just trying to use this up so bad. Like, it's good. It's, you know, it's not bad. Listen, hold on. It's not bad, but it's not great. But it does the trick for what I'm about to do. From where I'm about to go. You know, I can't be going out looking like a lunatic. I don't know what's going on with my face. My face. And we're going to go into our butter bronzer. Like, I've had this forever. My Gina got it for me. And it's just, I don't know, Gina. I don't know if it's not dark enough for me or what. I just can't get it to show up on me. Gina will tell me I'm using it differently than it should be. I'll go into my little Too Faced palette here. This is a bronzer with shimmer. Give it some glow. Give it some glow. Yeah. I did have makeup on before. I filmed a video earlier, but it was too much. It was too glam for this trip. For this outing today. So we toned it back a little bit. Oh. That's all we did. Good. Bag it up. We're going to put on some blush. It's the Seduce blush from Tarte. I have made a little bit of progress in this thing over time. All right, guys, what are we doing here? What are we doing? It's crazy. Crazy. I'm going to put on this little Jouer highlighter. Just because I like it. And I mean, who doesn't like a highlighter? Okay, okay, okay. Like, seriously. All right, we're just gonna put a little bit of browns on. I'm gonna do some browns on. This is the Sigma E65. Well, I don't know where to look, to be honest. I don't know. I don't know. I gotta get my eyebrows done today. My girl Tram. So hard to see her. She's getting so popular. Everybody wants Tram to do their nails. Stay away from my Tram. Stay away. Okay, we're gonna put that in here. We're gonna go through it with some of the e.l.f. This is the Wow Brown. It's not as popular to me as my Boy Brow from, you know, that other brand. I can't think of it. Anyways, what's the name of that brand? Glossier. Took me a minute, but I got there, didn't I? Okay. So, I'm really no kidding. Gonna do a look with something that I'm questioning. There's not much of that left. I did give away a big bunch of it today. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into this Urban Decay Reloaded palette. I love this palette, and we're just gonna do some cool tones, some peaches, yeah. So I'm gonna go straight into this shade right here. It's called Retro. It's got a lot of kick up, but that's okay. Not too bad, huh? Just a really blown out look. Nothing, you know, no tight or clean lines, none of that. Just smoke it out. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Let's just do our under eye real quick, because we're not going to do much more to this but put a shimmer on it. And then we're going to put some mascara on, and we're going to get it. Thought I heard thunder. Airplane. Okay, then we're gonna go in with this Angel Fire right here. How's that, guys? Just real quick and easy. And we're gonna go into this Bribe right here, and we'll put that on our inner corner. Cause we like it like that. if my husband comes home, he might kill me today. I got shit all over the place, but I'm cleaning. The problem is that Towels likes to eat everything because she's bad. She bad. She bad. She really, really bad. Okay. Okay. See? That was good. That was good. This is supposed to be a quick thing. Okay? Stop jacking around with me. We're going to put on this Luxe lip stuff. This is from the collection with Raw Beauty Christie. I just like how these lip gloss feel. Put that in your bag, Susan. I put it in my bag. Okay. Better than Sex Mascara, because that's like, I don't know, it just always works for me. All right. Alrighty, guys. What do you think? What do you think? Good enough for you is good enough for me. I'm having problems. I'm just looking real quick to see if I have one of my no color liners. If I had to look more than 2 times, I don't have it. All right, guys. So this is my going to get your nails done look. Just, I know it seems like a lot of makeup, but for me, it's not. All right. I'll see you later. Bye. Love you so, so much.